I am on the way to a beautiful tourist destination of Kerala named Kakadampoil. This place is situated in between Calicut and Malappuram district of Kerala. On the way, I saw a small bridge and I stopped my car here. I am enjoying this beautiful river. Really, even before reaching the destination, the route itself was an experiential thing for me. It was an excellent trip. I was enjoying throughout the way. Excellent and excellent. There was a lot of waterfalls on the way. This is one of the best waterfall I've seen so far. So I am standing here and shooting, okay? Excellent. So if you want to go and enjoy this waterfall live, there is a lot of steps made with rocks which will lead you into that area of wonderful waterfalls. I think you like to eat bananas, yeah? But you want to see the hill of banana plants? See, that's also available in this route. You can find not only waterfalls, but also you can find not only waterfalls, farmhouses, hill areas, but also you can find a lot of this kind of rocky areas where you can sit and enjoy the nature. If you are coming to visit Kakadampoil, if you are not taking any vehicle to transport, you can use Kerala State Road Transport Corporation buses. The bus services are available from Calicut and also from other places, okay? Now I reached the small little cute town named Kakadampoil. Here the weather is very cold. I feel so pleasant. I confuse this place as Kodaikanal. It's better to call a mini Kodaikanal of Kerala. Okay? ये जगह कैसे है? बहुत सुंदर है. बहुत अच्छा है. हाँ, अब इधर बहुत लोग देखने के लिए आता है. ठंडा है. इधर ठंडा मौसम है. हर वक्त ठंडा लगता है. हर वक्त. You can find multiples of this kind of vehicles, which will take you to the tourist destination. Yeah. 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 Now I am situated in the most amazing tourist center of this Kakadampoil. That is Kozhipara Waterfalls. In the entrance, you can find traditional Kerala honey and also other things here. Forest honey, yeah. Forest honey, natural honey here. You look to the top. What a wonderful, yeah. I am going to enter this amazing waterfall. But swimming and entering the water is prohibited now due to the weather changes happening, okay? There is a lot of heavens even in this earth itself. See, this is the one among them. What a wonderful, everywhere, wonder, wonder, wonder and wonder. On the way, I found multiple of waterfalls. When I reached the end, in the climax, when I saw this wonderful waterfall, I understood all those waterfalls were just the children of this waterfall. Everywhere you can find powerful and strong rocks all over this waterfall. The waterfall is flowing very powerfully and touching these rocks. The rocks are not shaking at any cost. You have to be like this throughout your life. Whenever any difficulties arise in your life, consider these difficulties as waterfalls, touching these powerful rocks, and rocks are standing there like firm and stern and shakeless. You have to be like this whenever a problem arises in your life. You came from Tamil Nadu, yeah? Yeah. How is this place?
Kakadampoil.
It's very like
My place, Tamil Nadu, Madurai.
Madurai, you came from Madurai.
Madurai.
You are enjoying these waterfalls.
Enjoy.
It's excellent, yeah?
My first time in this.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, enjoy, okay?
Enjoy.
You came first time here?
First time.
How you are enjoying these waterfalls? Very good. Okay.
Kandangi, kandangi, kati vanda punnu. Kandale kirketum kanya vachakan. கண்ணுக்கு 5 லட்சம் தாரேனே.
You sing then.
Yeah, bye.
Many couples are enjoying their beautiful life moments in this wonderful waterfall. These two young guys came to enjoy this waterfall. What is your experience? How is your experience? Wonderful? You are enjoying it, yeah? Oh, very good. You are enjoying the photography here, yeah? It's a very wonderful location for photography. You have this camera, yeah?
Yeah, this is not mine, my friend's.
Okay. He's...
Yes, sir.
Come. Passion, photography.
Yeah.
Why you are not vlogging? You have to vlog also.
Yeah.
You are always cleaning this waterfall, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, how is this place?
Good. Nice.
You are enjoying it, yeah?
Yeah.
बहुत खूबसूरत है.
Oh,
These VIPs from Kerala are enjoying their evening here. How is it? Super. Now I am standing in front of multiple hills, multiple natural beauties. You can find a lot of resorts throughout this Kakadamboil. This is a wonderful place to stay for tourists to spend silent holidays. Look to the end. Actually, it also looks like Ooty and Kodaikanal, yeah? Now I am going back from the Kakadamboil, but there is a lot of other tourist places are also there, but I can't go there today due to the weather. There is a lot of restrictions nowadays due to the climate changes. So whenever the restriction will be removed, I will go back to the Kakadamboil and enjoy the remaining places of this wonderful place.